6:36 now. More than 70 unaccompanied minors from Guatemala should be back in the custody of the Department of Health and Human Services this morning after a judge's order stopped deportation planes from taking off yesterday. It's the latest battle of the Trump administration's immigration crackdown. CBS's Bradley Blackburn has more.
The Trump administration's plan to deport hundreds of migrant children to Guatemala was temporarily blocked by a federal judge. The ruling came as dozens of unaccompanied minors were already sitting on planes in Texas, awaiting departure Sunday morning. A Justice Department lawyer says one plane may have taken off, but later returned. The government had argued that the children's parents had requested to be reunified with them. But lawyers for some of the children said that's not the case, and that some of the minors could face abuse, neglect, or persecution if they are returned. Relatives of some of the children had gathered in Guatemala City. This man says his nephew fled the country out of desperation and is hoping to stay in the U.S. to study.
We haven't taken anything off the table.
Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem told CBS News Face the Nation Sunday that the Trump administration is looking to step up immigration enforcement in cities around the U.S., including Chicago. This as President Trump issued this threat to Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker over the weekend regarding crime in the Windy City. He better straighten it out fast or we're coming. Pritzker on CBS News Face the Nation Sunday.
It's clear that in secret they're planning this, well, it's an invasion with U.S. troops if they in fact do that.
Pritzker has threatened to take legal action if the White House sends federal guard troops to Chicago. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.
And on CBS News yesterday, Governor Pritzker also suggested that President Trump could have other aims for sending the National Guard to U.S. cities instead of fighting crime. A White House spokesperson called those claims absurd.